Now that you've been admitted to Ball State, you can start using our MyBallState app. Current students use this app daily for information related to their academic department, notifications about financial aid and billing, and more information about upcoming campus events. You can start using this app now too. You should have received an email from our IT help desk at the address that you applied with a few days after you were admitted. That helps you get your login information to get into the MyBallState app. If you can't find that email, that's okay. Just call our IT help desk at 765-285-1517 so they can help you with that login information. Once you have your username and password set up, you can visit myballstate.bsu.edu to check out the mobile version. Or you can download the free app on your Android or iOS device. After you've logged in, you'll be able to watch a video that helps walk you through how to use the MyBallState app. Familiarizing yourself with the app now will definitely help you down the road as a current student. Be sure to check out the tab at the top that says Admitted Students. You'll find information there about cost of attendance, orientation, and admissions information. So as an admitted student, you have access to two important resources. The first is your Cardinal Landing portal. That's the website where you can review your admissions decision, confirm your enrollment, and register for orientation. You also have access to your MyBallState app, a tool that you'll use daily as a current student. Check out both resources for a great start to your future as a Cardinal.